Hey guys. Welcome to our channel. Civil Engineering Guru. Hope you all are fine. In previous videos we are discussing various branches and sub-branches of civil engineering, and today we discuss about geologic engineering, that is last branch of geotechnical engineering and sub-branch of civil engineering. So move toward our today's topic, what is geologic engineering and its types and scope. Engineering geology is the application of geological data, techniques and principles to the study of rock and soil superficial materials and groundwater. This is essential for the proper location, planning, design, construction, operation and maintenance of engineering structures. Engineering geology complements environmental geology or hydrogeology. Now move toward next topic, what does engineering geology study? Rock, soil, water, the interaction among these three constituents, as well as with engineering materials and structures. Now we discuss branches of geologic engineering. They are petrology of rocks, stratigraphy of units, geomorphology, structural geology, hydrogeology, geophysics, petroleum geology, mining geology, soil mechanics, rock mechanics. Now we define step-by-step branches of geologic engineering. Petrology of rocks. Scientific study of rocks that deals with their composition, texture and structure, their occurrence and distribution, and their origin in relation to physicochemical conditions and geologic processes. It is concerned with all three major types of rocks: igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. Stratigraphy of units. A stratigraphic unit is a volume of rock of identifiable origin and relative age range that is defined by the distinctive and dominant, easily mapped and recognizable petrographic, lithologic or paleontologic features, facies, that characterize it. Geomorphology. Scientific study of the origin and evolution of topographic and bathymetric features created by physical, chemical or biological processes operating at or near the Earth's surface. Structural geology. Scientific discipline that is concerned with rock deformation on both a large and a small scale. Its scope of study is vast, ranging from submicroscopic lattice defects in crystals to fault structures and fold systems of the Earth's crust. Hydrogeology. Hydrogeology is the area of geology that deals with the distribution and movement of groundwater in the soil and rocks of the Earth's crust, commonly in aquifers. Geophysics. Geophysics is a subject of natural science concerned with the physical processes and physical properties of the Earth and its surrounding space environment, and the use of quantitative methods for their analysis. Petroleum geology. Petroleum geology is the study of origin, occurrence, movement, accumulation, and exploration of hydrocarbon fuels. It refers to the specific set of geological disciplines that are applied to the search for hydrocarbons oil exploration. Mining geology. Mining geology is an applied science which combines the principles of economic geology and mining engineering to the development of a defined mineral resource. Mining geologists and engineers work to develop an identified ore deposit to economically extract the ore. Soil mechanics. The branch of science concerned with the properties and behavior of soil as they affect its use in civil engineering. Rock mechanics. Rock mechanics is a theoretical and applied science of the mechanical behavior of rock and rock masses. Compared to geology, it is that branch of mechanics concerned with the response of rock and rock masses to the force fields of their physical environment. Now we move toward next topic, that is why engineering geology matter. Serves civil engineering to provide information in three most important areas. Resources for construction. Aggregates, fills and borrows finding stable foundations. Present is the key to the past geology. Past is the key to the future engineering. Mitigation of geological hazards, identify problems, evaluate the costs, provide information to mitigate the problem. Now we discuss scope of geologic engineering. Move toward topic. A branch of geology for study of shallow crustal geological processes that influence human activities. Geological processes could be natural or result from human activities, e.g. mass wasting. Nearshore wave action, erosion and deposition. Marine erosion and deposition. Fluvial processes. Now we discuss approach of geologic engineering. Mainly confined to geological aspects. Mechanistic aspects handled usually by geotechnical geological engineers. Need to know essentials of mechanics that drive geologic processes. If you like our today's video, like, comment and share our video and subscribe our channel Civil Engineering Guru. Thank you. Bye.